you're in the right place. In this video, I will show you everything from zero, from finding a product on Alibaba, contacting suppliers, ordering samples, negotiating price, and finally creating a shipment plan for Amazon FBA. Make sure to subscribe to Aminify Skills channel for more free and practical Amazon learning. Alibaba is a B2B platform, meaning you buy products directly from manufacturers or wholesalers, mostly from China. Before buying, never rush, never trust cheap prices blindly. Always verify suppliers. Your goal is to find a reliable supplier, not just a cheap one. First, search your product on Alibaba. Practical tips: use simple keywords. Avoid branded or patented products. Look for products with trade assurance, verified supplier, and 3+ years experience. Never contact just one supplier. Message at least 5 to 10 suppliers. Ask these questions. What is your MOQ? Unit price for 500, 1000 units. Can you add logo or custom packaging? Production time. Shipping options to Amazon FBA. This helps you compare price, quality, and communication. Before bulk order, always order samples. Why? Check product quality, packaging, logo printing, actual size, and material. Paying for samples can save you thousands of dollars later. Now, compare suppliers based on sample quality, price, communication speed, and willingness to support Amazon FBA shipping. Pro tip: never choose the cheapest supplier. Choose the most professional one. Once finalized, place order via Alibaba Trade Assurance. Never pay outside Alibaba. Confirm quantity, unit price, packaging, and shipping terms, EXW, FOB, DDP. Trade Assurance protects your payment. There are 3 common shipping methods to Amazon: air shipping, fast but expensive; sea shipping, cheap but slow, most common; DDP shipping, supplier handles everything, best for beginners. For new sellers, DDP shipping to Amazon warehouse is highly recommended. Now go to Amazon Seller Central, create product listing, choose Send to Amazon, FBA, enter carton details, download FNSKU and box labels, and send labels to supplier. Your supplier will stick labels and ship directly to Amazon. Before shipment, confirm correct FNSKU labels, Amazon warehouse address, shipping tracking number, commercial invoice, and packing list. This avoids delays and penalties. That's it. This is how you buy a product from Alibaba, from zero till shipment to Amazon FBA, step by step. Subscribe to Aminify Skills channel for more free Amazon and e-commerce learning. For more free learning videos, keep watching Aminify Skills on Facebook and YouTube.